Hey guys, welcome to Developers Gurukul. So in our last session we discussed about Go Workspace. So in this session we will deep dive each and every line and we'll try to find out what is the meaning of that. So for that let's go to the note. The very first line what we wrote in our application is that package main. So first let's discuss what is package. So package is a collection of common source code files, or we can say that it's a container where we can keep a set of common source code files in it, or we can say that it's like a project or a workspace where we can collect a common source code file and keep inside it. And one thing we need to remember is that in this example, suppose here my package is main, and in this package there are a lot of source code files are there, like main.go, helper.go, test.go, and the first line of every files inside the package must declare the package which it belongs to. That means if you see here we declare package main, that means this source code files belongs to main package. So this is a quick introduction about package. We will discuss it in our later session. Next guys, you might have one question, that why we are writing package main. Instead of main we can write anything, but why we are writing main? Okay, so let's go to next section and we'll discuss why we are writing main. So what does package main means? For that let's go to the deeper to understand Go packaging system. So inside Go there are two types of package. One is executable package, another one is reusable package. So executable package is defined as a package to create an executable and runnable file, and reusable package is defined as a package that can be used as a dependency or library or helper. So now how can we know that we are creating an executable package or reusable package? That with the help of main. When we are writing package main, that means we are telling Go compiler that we are going to create an executable package. For that reason in our applications we are writing package. Let's go to the VS Code and we will see in an example. So guys, in this example we wrote package main. So when I'm trying to build go build main.go, if you see I'm getting an executable file. Cool. Now let's change this. Now let me delete this file. Now I'm changing to some other name like hello, or we can give any name, test. Let me save this. If you see, there is no executable file. So for that reason we are using package main. That means we are telling Go that we need an executable file. So let's go to the note and we'll see. So here the summary what we discussed till now. So package main is used to define a package that can be compiled and that executed, and it must have a function called main. So for that reason here we are writing main. So whenever we declare package main, then we must have to define a function called main. Why? I will tell you in the later session. So now we know what is the meaning of package main and why we are writing package main and why we are writing function main. Okay, so next we will see what is import fmt. So guys, next line what we wrote is import fmt. So here fmt is a package, so I am telling my Go that keep my package main access to all the functionality of fmt package. So the meaning of import is that it keeps all the functionality of a specific package to my package. So here fmt is a standard library package which is available inside Go. So these things I will discuss in the next class. So this is all about package. Next what we wrote is function main. So here, so in Go, if you want to declare a function, so you have to use func. So declare a function, we have to use func. Next is what main. Main is nothing but the name of our functions. So if we have a function called HelloWorld, we have to give HelloWorld here. And this is function body. And this is function body, and here we can pass arguments to the functions. So guys, this is all about today's sessions. So in these sessions we discuss each and every line what we wrote. So what is the use of package main, what is the use of import, why we are writing func, what is main, what is fmt, all the things. Though it's a teeny applications, teeny program, but there are a lot of things we learned. So I hope you like this video. So guys, stay tuned for the next video. Have a good day. Bye.